So today we will solve the problem of filling the glasses. So this is kind of a basic problem in which we have n glasses. For each of them we know their capacity, and we buy bottle of 100 capacity, and we will find the minimum number of glasses, means the least number of capacities which we can fill. So firstly I have done a basic method, and it actually fails some of the cases. So we will improve this. So we will run the examples and see that it makes most of the examples okay, but in when we submit it and it checks all the test cases, it doesn't give all the right answers. So what was the problem with this is we have to find the capacities of the glass, so all the pairs of the capacity which is minimum. So the most feasible way to do this is to sort it, means we will take a generic array or a vector kind of thing and we will sort this. So using that old approach, my problems was failing mostly, and then I realized that if I need to take the input of all the test cases present, then I need to use something different. So I need to change my algorithm, the way of thinking. So what I did was took an array, means using a generic vector, and so now we can see that uh, with some inputs it gave the wrong answer. It always gave the wrong answer. So the next idea was to take that in generic array and sort it according to ascending order, and we will take the first k elements which is minimum. So this was the change in the algorithm. So I'm taking a my vect which we will sort, and we are pushing the elements in the vectors, and we will sort it using the stl function sort. So after that what we will do is we will iterate through k examples of the ascending order sorted array, and we will sum the elements, and then we can easily find by dividing it. So we can find the answer by dividing. So we are checking till k is not equal to 0. So the test case in this case passes, which is good. So we will submit this, and we will firstly see the examples. So the examples are okay. Now we are submitting it, so the test cases are okay. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos.